Andre, Franz Malebe, Franz Stein, myself, Bongi, Mapimpi, Ox.
If your neighbor's door has got a red stick and then you know that man is down, is on the other side.
Food being brought to the door.
The worst part is there wasn't no windows to open.
I'll probably say it's the closest thing of being in jail.
There have been 26 positive cases of COVID-19 in their camp. The second test against Georgia has been cancelled.
So 50% of the preparation for a team that hadn't played for 20 months was taken away.
We got a phone call on the Sunday morning. We can't leave Joburg.
People were sick. I mean, we had a liaison officer that passed away. That was a consequence of decisions we took in terms of going on with the tour, playing the tour. Now that weighs heavy on your conscience and in terms of what you need to do.
Hello, welcome to BBC World News. It is the worst violence in South Africa.
Suddenly, without warning, South Africa erupts.
We've got political and civil unrest in the country, and we've got everybody that is jittery around their personal safety and everything that comes with it.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, I've never felt so helpless in my life before. Like, and people are asking, like, why aren't you saying something? Like, I don't know what to say. I've never experienced or seen anything like that before, you know.
But I'm telling you, if this tour does not go ahead, there will be no South African rugby next year. We will make a loss. The unions will make a loss. If the unions make a loss, they don't pay your salaries. It's simple as that. We're all done.
But we just can't do this. It's impossible. The Springbok brand will be gone. It's just not worth it.